Every self-build is unique, and that's one of the main attractions in doing it. I suppose our position was more unusual than most because we've been running exhibitions and publishing a magazine, Self-Build and Improve Your Home, for many years. So this is really the culmination of all those years of experience.
We first built our own house back in 1989, and now about 20 plus years later we're coming to do our second, which has a most unusual design, and it's like that because we wanted to pay homage to the history of this area but also the natural landscape here in County Down. The house itself is a near passive construction, which means that it's almost airtight and additionally should need almost no heating in the winter.
We researched everything very thoroughly, and in particular when looking at the floor screed. Our first self-build was in 1989, so 20 years ago, and I remember well the man with the wheelbarrow rushing in and out with loads and loads of sand cement screed, which started to go off before he'd finished the job, and he got hotter and hotter, we got more and more worried, and it was really a bit of a nightmare. So when we looked at this, we decided it had to be Ultraflo.
With so many aspects of this house being new technology, we wanted something which was going to keep up with that, be state-of-the-art, but also provide us with a really even floor level for putting on our floor finishes.
The Ultraflo seemed to get round a lot of the problems that I'd seen before with other screeds, because with other screeds you can get this froth or white scum that appears. That later turns to dust and makes an awful mess of the house. But the hemihydrate screed from Ultraflo doesn't have that problem at all. It's also got a very high strength to weight ratio. So for the thickness that we put on, which is 50 millimeters, we can actually put another 180 millimeters of insulation underneath it and thus maintain the passive nature of the house.
Been very impressed with the thoroughness and indeed the pure professionalism of the team working here today, which has relieved us of a lot of worry, and also our builder, Eric Black.
The Ultraflo product there that we have had installed today, the finish on the floor is excellent. We can see that the next product that we put onto the floor, our timber finishes, our carpets, everything's going to be level. It's going to be an ease, or very easy to finish. The product's completely level and it's ideally positioned where we wanted it, at the door frame levels and everything. The Ultraflo product that's been installed today is an excellent product. It's been laid today, and tomorrow we can actually open up the doors, come in and get onto the floor and continue the work.